Every can of spray cheese begins with carefully sourced dairy ingredients.
Today I'll show you how spray cheese is made, step by step. Stay till the end and subscribe for more factory tours.
Dry ingredients are filtered for consistency before they're blended.
Dry components are handled with dust control and precise metering.
Time and temperature control the final texture you get in the can.
Sanitation checks verify the environment stays within standards.
Heat treatment helps ensure safety and consistent quality.
The temperature consistency on batch 4B is holding steady within parameters.
Looks good. We can maintain the current flow rate.
Packaging starts with empty cans, handled automatically to keep everything clean and fat.
The flow rate seems optimized now.
Yes, the adjustments stabilize the pressure perfectly.
Confirmed, we are back on target.
Verify each can is perfect before it's filled. Crimping seals the valve. This lock is critical for safety and performance.
QC pulls samples throughout the run to keep every batch consistent.
Next, let's break down the process into clear stages so you can follow every step. In the final minutes, we'll recap the full process, then wrap with a clean end screen. Cases are labeled for routing, scanning, and full traceability.
Stretch wrap stabilizes loads for safe transport.
If you found this video informative, please press the like button now. For more factory-related videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and let us know in the comments which factory you want to see next.